I look so cute with these lines. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to try something different. I don't know if you guys have seen this wet hair look that just gives off these tropical vibes. So it's like the hair is wet, it's wavy, you have some dewy makeup going on, very light dewy makeup going on. It just gives off these tropical vibes. I've watched a couple of tutorials and I love how the look looks, so I definitely want to try that out today. I'm going to be using a wig from RiriHair. We've partnered up with them before. I know RiriHair is hard for some people to say but yeah, the hair is really good. So what came in the box is the hair, which you guys will see in a minute. This time around I got a short wavy bob lace front wig, virgin human hair. So it's a Brazilian virgin human hair wig. The length I got is 12 inches. You guys will see, like, it's gonna look so good with the wet hair look when it's like a bob. Yes, the RiriHair wigs usually come, oh, this is the hair, it comes with a pre-plucked hairline. You guys will see when I wear it, but it looks really natural. You don't have to do anything, knots are bleached. And also it comes with an elastic band. And the thing with the elastic bands from RiriHair is that they have you can adjust them depending on how snug you want your wig to fit on your head. It also came with a brush. I already have one of these from them, so I'm excited. It also came with a brush. Also came with some wig caps. These are the ones that come, 2 of them. Although I'm not planning on wearing a wig cap nowadays, I just don't use wig caps. Then it came with a thank you note here. Thank you for shopping with us. So I'm really excited to do this look. Yes guys, look at that natural hair. Oh wait, I should have cut the lace at the back. That is something I just always forget. Let's cut the lace at the back. Okay, now I'm also just gonna put foundation inside the wig. This is what I do instead of wearing a wig cap, because sometimes the elastic band of the wig cap shows through the wig and that's not cute. So I usually put some foundation all over this lace part of the wig. So that's what I'm quickly going to do. That foundation thing really makes a difference. Now we can cut the lace. That elastic band really secures the wig. Wow, that hairline is really gorgeous. Next thing we are gonna do is create some baby hairs, of course, as per usual.
But I'd be lying. It might take a little time, but I'll say I'm doing fine. That's what I'd say to my friends, but they'll know I'm not alright.
We're gonna come back to the part of wetting the hair. First, I just want to do some quick dewy makeup. I'm gonna list everything I'm gonna use in the description box down below, so that I just put some music over this and speak through it.
My time or just you for granted. When I fell for you, I never planned on landing. But I pretend I'm good till I'm the last man standing. I'll say I'm fine. I'll say I'm fine. saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you. But I'll be fine.
Okay guys, makeup is done. Now let's get into making this hair look wet. I'm going to be using a mousse to do that, not water, because a mousse really does that and then it keeps the hair looking wet for long. Because if you put water, what is this in my eye? If you put water, the water will dry, and then throughout the day, you know, it's not gonna be, you're not gonna have that wet hair look. So this is the, I'm gonna use a mousse to make it look wet, and I'm going to use generous amounts.
Thinking back to you to remember how good it felt. Now I see him in your pictures and it gets me overwhelmed. But if you ask me how I'm doing, I would say I'm doing well. I'm doing well. But I'd be lying. It might take a little time, but I'll say I'm.
Guys, this even worked out better than I expected. Oh my god. Oh my Lord Jesus. I love this, guys. I love this so much. And with a wet hair look, you know, you always have to have some in the eyes. That mousse has worked wonders. I love gorgeous. So that's it guys. I really love how the look turned out. All you need is a good wig like this one from RiriHair and some mousse, and girl, you are good to go to give off those beautiful tropical vibes. So I'm really glad it worked out. This just looks so good, gosh. And the mousse will hold it looking like that for quite some time. Yes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again to RiriHair for partnering up with me on this video. Like I said at the beginning, I'm going to leave a direct link to this hair, and I'm also going to just leave a link to their website and all their social media, so that you guys can go and check them out. I'm also going to list all the products I've used on my face in the description box down below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, because I can teach you how to slay your wig. So yeah, thanks guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.